In this video, I will show you how to check your BVN bank verification number using the GTBank mobile app. Unlock your smartphone, launch the GTBank mobile app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Log in using your user ID and password, or use fingerprint authentication if you have enabled it for the faster access. On the app's homepage, tap the menu icon, usually three horizontal lines located in the top corner. Scroll down and look for Settings or Account Information. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Under the Account or Profile section, look for the option labeled BVN or Bank Verification Number. Tap on it and your BVN will be displayed on the screen. Once your BVN is visible, you can copy it for future use or write it down securely. And that's how you can check your BVN on the GTBank mobile app. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.